Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with a new summary layout for you. So I got this kit from the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club, which I am a part of the design team, and I'm trying to get back into scrapbooking at least one layout a month for them. Life has just been kind of crazy and all over the place. So I scrapbooked this page for, I think it was in September that I did it, but this is the August kit, I believe. So it's not available anymore in the store if you're if you just want to purchase it like as part of the club. So this month we have a Halloween collection, but I still wanted to post this layout because I think it turned out really cute. And I absolutely love this photo. This is my dog Max. We had to put him down in February this year. But this photo is from, I think it's from 2018, possibly, maybe 2017. I don't quite remember, but it just looks like he's smiling to me. And I just absolutely love this photo. So a couple of disclaimers. This video did not, the color on this video did not turn out well. And so I'm not sure what happened. I'm going to have to mess with my webcam and the software and everything. And hopefully the next video will turn out okay. I'm not sure what happened because I have recorded recently with my webcam. So this one turned out really, really blue. So I went in and just turned it a little bit more like reddish yellow, and it still doesn't look right, so I apologize about that, but I really did love this layout, and so I wanted to make sure that I still posted this video. So sorry about the odd coloring, but life, is what it is. So here I am using the ephemera pack that came with the kit, and it is a summer kind of beach kit, and so I had to pull out the ones that weren't beach themed, that went along with my photo, just sunshine and happy and fun times. And so I am picking out all of those embellishments. Here I have one of the twins with me. I think both of them are actually here trying to help me right now. And they love coming in and just playing with all my things. What 3-year-old doesn't? They actually turn 4 tomorrow. So I'm recording this on October 4th. So they turn 4 tomorrow, which is just crazy that they are getting so big. So here I am pulling out my Tim Holtz blending tool. And I am just going to ink up the edges of all of the embellishments that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to start gluing them down. This layout took me, I want to say maybe 20 to 25 minutes. Really, it didn't take that long, and it's very basic. I noticed that when I stay away from scrapbooking for a long time, that when I decide to come back, I do kind of keep my layouts to the more basic, like designs and things like that. I don't really use a lot of photos all the time when I first come back, or if I do use a lot of photos, I do a lot of scrap lifting or sketches or whatever. So that is one of my tips for you. If you go a long time in between scrapbooking and not scrapbooking, and you have a hard time when you come back, I would say go to Pinterest and just find a couple of different sketches that you really like, or even just layouts that you really like and you want to use as inspiration. And I think that's how I'm going to start getting back into scrapbooking, because I felt like when I first started this layout, I was just kind of like, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just kind of started going and just was creating, and it was just super fun to get back into the habit of creating. So here the twins are helping me pick out stickers, and they wanted stickers, and so I was letting them pick out a couple of stickers for them to have for themselves. They love these sticker sheets, and I never use all of my sticker sheets, and so it doesn't bother me to let them play with a few of the stickers on the sticker sheet. And so I let them each pick out like 2 or 3 stickers that they could use, and they like running around and putting the stickers on them, and then they'll come back and give them back to me, and I want a different one. So yeah, it's a lot of fun having little kids again. And I think that's one of the reasons why it was only like a 20-minute layout, was because I think I might have been home alone with all the kids. And my fiance has 5 kids. So it probably was on like a Saturday, and I was home alone with all the kids. So trying to get back into the swing of scrapbooking and having lots of kids at home and getting into all my things. So here I'm doing some journaling, and then I'm going to add some of the, what are they called? The bling that came with the kit as well. And then my layout is going to be done. So here I am. I did bring in the bling, and these are the brads, I think. And then I'm going to be all done with my layout. I hope that you enjoyed this one. Again, I apologize about the coloring. I am hoping to be able to fix it for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will hope to see you guys soon. Bye.